Yo, yo, what's up, YouTube? This is actually, I don't even know what kind of preset it is. This is how to sound like Winters on Bandlab. It's how to sound like me on Bandlab, I guess. That makes sense. I'm actually gonna put the preset in the description. Ad libs and everything. This is how to sound like me on Bandlab, and let's get right into it. This song is finished, so I'm gonna put the SoundCloud link in the description so you can go check it out if you want to listen to it. But let's get right into it.
Some niggas really mad about this bad guy, yeah, I'm gone. And why do niggas wanna hate on me and doing shit on my own? Baby, can you go? To the phone, shit is the she just wants someone I can't show no more. Can't say to fuck, no. I can't believe that you said you love me, but you still gon' to this day, baby. Don't know what you think, you wanna stay on me. I'm getting to the best, ain't no way too late for me. I'm to the farm, I'm to what the farm, I'm to what it pay. I don't give a fuck regardless. My chopper ain't guarded. What am I like a garden? Hey niggas that be starting, running shit like a warden. I get this out like forcing. You wanna love make no sense.
But yeah, that's how it sounds or whatever. And I'm not gonna lie, it's not that bad. The song is cool, but I think I'm gonna record again. I don't know, I'm kind of bored. Alright, bet. I'm finna record.
You wanna love make no sense. Showing a lot, can't show a none.
Yeah.
You wanna love make no sense. Showing a lot, can't show a none. You wanna love make no sense. Showing a lot, can't show a none. Make no sense. Showing a lot, can't show a none. I get a fight, I got a fight, amen with a gun. Showing a lot, can't show a none. I get a fight, I got a fight, amen with a gun.
That was kind of mid.
Showing a lot, can't show a none. I get a fight, keep it with that plick, yeah, I know. That plick, yeah, I know. I get a fight like a G.I. Joe. You, I know. I get a fight like a G.I. Joe. Showing a love, I can't show it, no. I get a fight like a G.I. Joe. She want love, but I can't show her more. She want love, but I can't show her more. I can't show remorse. G.I. Joe. She want love, but I can't show her more. I know how you feeling, baby. If you could show me the world, show her more. I know how you feeling, baby. I can show you the world. I can show you what it. I can show you the world.
And I'm not gonna lie, just wrapping up the video. Yeah.
She want love, but I can't show her more. I know how you feeling, baby. I can show you the world. I can show you what it. I can show you the world.
And yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video. I literally don't even know how long the video is, but it's probably estimated 3, 4 or 5 minutes long. I'm not gonna lie, that's wrapping up the video. If you enjoy content like this, Bandlab presets or whatever, be sure to like, cause I'll be putting y'all on. Got y'all with sauce, man. But that's how to sound like me on Bandlab. Winters, love, hearts, whatever you want to call me. Don't matter. But yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe, comment, and yeah, I'll see y'all.